my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope that you're doing well. My shirt has a mind of its own. My husband got me this shirt. Isn't it cute? All right, well, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed my Dollar Tree Shop With Me video that went up just before this one, I believe. It is not a humongous haul, but it's big enough to do a video for. So let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. I have stuff everywhere. Okay, so I went to two different Dollar Trees, which we have in our area, two different ones. And the video for the second one will go up after this video. I found these, and they are like photo frames, I believe. And let's see, let's open one. Let's open it. Let's see what this is about. So I am going to paint and redesign these. Okay, all right. So this is, let's see here. All right. Oh, it does move. This does move. It's a little clip, and it does work. This is just plastic, and so is that. But I am going to repaint this because I think it needs a paint job. Oh yeah, and I can see, yeah. So I will have to, oh, I see. Okay, hold on. That is how you get the picture out. So how you can change the picture out. Okay, so that would be cool if you could put like a 5x7. I think that would go in there, but there would be no protection. Mwah. Have to brainstorm on this, but I thought that these were really cute. You could put like a recipe here or your menu for the day in your kitchen. YouTube video ideas on your little clip there. Your to-do list, your grocery list. Any of those things could go on this neat little thing. See, and then you hang it right up there. Oh, it's a, nope, that's, is it 4x6? I think this is a 4x6 frame. But see, you could put your like grocery list on there or whichever. And yes, it is a 4x6 frame. So that's not too bad. I like those. I thought those were really super cute. And like I said, I am going to redesign those. I am going to start doing DIY videos. I know I've done a few DIY videos on my channel, and I really don't know how people really feel about those as far as what my channel is geared towards, but DIYs are who I am as well. I love arts and crafts. I love crafting. So I'm going to put up a few DIY videos, and if you don't want to watch them, then you don't have to watch them. But I would appreciate you to watch them. Maybe you could get a good idea on something you might like. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, then I found this. It's called Sponge, well, it's by Spongefuls. Refreshing Aromatherapy Sponge Body Wash and Spa. And this one is grapefruit and peppermint soap. I just love this. And it is a bar of soap. Nope, it's a sponge. It's a sponge, but I'm gonna try that. I love to smell good. Oh, receipt, we don't need that. And then we have, well, this one is open. It's not supposed to be open. Spongefuls Deep Cleansing Exfoliating Sponge, dual-sided for exfoliating and moisturizing. And this is infused with apricot and green tea soap scrub, and it's right over there. Ooh, they really had some really neat things at Dollar Tree this time. I was shocked, and then I was so happy to find these charcoal facial wipes. I have not tried. I am losing my voice today. I think I'm coming down with a cold. There's 30 in each pack. I did get 2, and it says that they're detoxifying and it draws out dirt and oil. Always need to take care of your face, because your face is the first thing people see. So you want to make sure you take care of your face. So I'm kind of curious to see how these are going to work. It says, as with most facial cleansers, getting the product in your eyes may cause stinging. If this occurs, rinse eyes thoroughly with warm water, and it says keep out of reach of children. So definitely, unless you have a teenage girl and she's responsible and she could use these, that would work. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way. Did you hear that? Christmas has come to Dollar Tree, and I could never be more happy. So I picked up this. Wonderful. This is all wood. I like that. It is so cute. And you definitely have to enjoy the little things like that. Set that over there because we're gonna run out of room over here. And then I picked up 2 of these towels. These are so cute. And they are the gingerbread cookie, and it has the actual recipe on there and the instructions and all of that on both sides. I thought these are so cute. These would make a great gift idea. A Christmas basket, that would be really cute. And then I did get the matching, of course, pot holders. And this is a 2-pack for $1. You cannot beat a 2-pack. And they're cute, besides the fact. And sticking with the kitchen items, I did pick up some Badia, I think that's how you say it, Badia, Saison Complete Seasoning. I love these seasonings. They are so yummy. And then I did pick up the actual Saison. I love Saisons, just love it. And then I got some adobo. Stuff is so good. Makes your chicken taste like nobody's business. And I eat chicken a lot. A lot. Okay, and we have last few things, and it is Christmas. Christmas is coming. And I got me some jingle bells, I guess you want to call them. These are also for another DIY project. I think that those are just so gorgeous. We've got the little, I believe it's like a poinsettia flower on it. Just love it. And then we have 3 more things. That's it for my Dollar Tree haul. I didn't go too crazy, but I picked up these. Aren't these just the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen in your lifetime? It is so cute, but that is coming off. So my idea for these are, this peels right off. Look at that. It peels right off, which doesn't say much for the product, but it's okay. I'm going to use this in a DIY as well. Isn't that just, I can't with this sparkle. I love anything that sparkles. Just so cute. I saw another YouTuber, Miss Dream Cakes, Gina, over on her channel, and she went crazy in Dollar Tree, and she had to get every one of these that they had. Now they did have gold, as you've seen in the video, but I'm kind of partial to pink. I love the pink, but I am going to, like I said, I'm gonna do a DIY, and I'm gonna do something fantabulous with these. And now I have feathers everywhere. Okay, so that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, and I have just crap everywhere. Let me show you my pants. Can you see? I have feathers everywhere. Goodness gracious. All right, so that concludes the Dollar Tree haul portion of this video. Now, as you may have read on the video title, that I have a Small Grove collaborative haul for you. A total of 3 little things, but it's okay. I just I have a bigger one coming. So I am going to show you my Grove Collaborative haul. And here it is. For the life of me, I have no idea why they put it in this big old box. It makes no sense. So let me grab the items out of here. The first item is, it was free with my purchase. It is lavender and oatmeal bar soap made with organic coconut and olive oils, and this is a 4-ounce bar. And it smells really good. Really, really good. And you know me, I love a good bar of soap. That's crazy, right? It's crazy. So in the description bar, I'm going to leave a link to Grove Collaborative, and I believe I have a code where you can get a free 5-piece set from Grove Collaborative with your order. So follow that link and I can get you a free 5-piece set. So next, I have a unnatural love of the smell of honeysuckle. I do not know why. I love, 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 love honeysuckle. So I got Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room Freshener. Honeysuckle. I love honeysuckle. I don't know. I just love the flowers. I don't know. I think I have to do something. There we go. That smells so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then lastly, my honeysuckle candy 35-hour burn time, and this is a scented soy candle. This is $9.99. It smells amazing. Oh my goodness gracious. But anyway, those three, okay, look, these three little things, these three things in this big old box. Why? What a waste of, look, that's how, no, I'm gonna do it this way. Right? Why? Why? Why did they do that? What a waste. Just what a waste. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out Grove Collaborative, and also don't forget to head on over to Dollar Tree and get yourself some Christmas decorations, because they have so much to choose from. The sky is the limit at Dollar Tree this year. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video real soon, which will be another Dollar Tree shop with me. That rhymed. I'm proud of myself. All right, guys, that's it. I will see you in my next video.